All right, Honors Algebra 2 and Algebra 2. Here is video 3 for your Chapter 8 test review. Again, this has 44 questions total. You're going to submit that to me. April 30th, I have in Skyward as the due date. 10 points there. Folks, number 26, there it is. 5x over 12 plus 3x over 6. To add fractions, you need the same denominator. Well, I can make 6 into 12 pretty easily by doubling that. That is now 6x over 12. 5x over 12 plus 6x over 12 is 11x over 12. There is your answer for that one. 27, there's the initial question. Look at the denominators. First off, look at coefficients, 2, 3. I want to make them the same. I can make 2 and 3 both into 6. If I multiply this first, then I want that 2. Don't get confused with the switching of the 2 and 3 up top. I don't care about the numerator at all. I care about the denominator. I want to make this 2 and that 3 into the same number. So I'm going to multiply first fraction by 3 over 3. Multiply the second fraction by 2 over 2. Then I looked at my variables. Highest power of x is x squared. This has really 2 x's. That only has 1. So I'm going to multiply this first fraction by x over x. Y to the third. And that is also y to the third. So I'm going to multiply this first fraction by 3x over 3x. The second fraction by 2 over 2. That means I'm going to have a 9x over my common denominator of 6x squared y to the third plus 4 over my common denominator of 6x squared y to the third. 9x plus 4 is what I got in the numerator. 28. 5 plus 2x over x minus 4 is my question. First thing I'm going to do is call 5 over 1, which it is. Then I'm going to multiply that by the other denominator, which is x minus 4. All right. So I'm going to multiply that first fraction by x minus 4 over x minus 4. Now the common denominator is going to be x minus 4. I'm going to do a little distribution. That's going to be 5x minus 20. I will then add it to 2x. My common denominator is x minus 4. Again, to get full credit on this, I need to see all this work. I've seen a few made-up answers or no work at all on some game plans especially, and I'm not giving credit for that. So if your game plan is complete and you're wondering why you got like a 13 out of half or 13 or 12.7 out of 15, that's probably why. Show all this work. 7x minus 20 over x minus 4 is our answer. Then here on 29, here is my question. 4x over x minus 2 plus 3x over x plus 2. I will give this first fraction what the other one has in its denominator, x plus 2 over x plus 2. I'm going to give this second fraction what this other one has in the denominator, x minus 2 over x minus 2. All right. Now the common denominator is x plus 2x minus 2. This would be 4x squared plus 8x plus 3x squared minus 6x. And I'm going to put that all in the numerator. My common denominator is x plus 2x minus 2. I have 7x squared plus 2x if you combine like terms. All right. Probably going to go through one more page here. And I'll set us up for video number 4 that will finish this. All right, 30 through 33, simplify fully. It's what we've been doing. All right. 4 over x minus 5 plus 6x over x squared